The laboratory results are clear.
The mechanized washing line provides a thorough cleaning, utilizing high-pressure water jets. The workflow then
Before it becomes luxury leather, each donkey hide has a story. Every animal is carefully inspected.
The journey from raw hide to high-end luxury leather begins here, as massive bundles arrive for processing.
The process begins with a meticulous inspection of the raw hides. We check for thickness, scars, and size variations. The first step in creating luxury leather is the soaking phase. Raw hides are loaded into drums to thoroughly wash away the salt and dirt.
Next, the raw hides enter the fleshing machine, where high-speed rotating blades efficiently scrape away.
The split hide thickness adjustment machine ensures uniform leather quality through precision calibration. Here in the pickling drums, the hides are treated with acid and salt, a vital stage in the leather-making process.
Here, the donkey hides are submerged in the pickling solution. The drum slowly rotates.
Following the completion of the tanning process, the heavy, blue-tinted hides are removed from the drums and moved to the next station.
Inside the rinse drums, high-pressure water jets clean the hides thoroughly, ensuring all excess tanning agents are completely removed before the next stage.
Converting rawhide into high-end luxury leather requires meticulous inspection. We manually check the softness and feel of every piece.
This specialized coating application is crucial for durability and achieving the high-end finish of the luxury leather.
Here at the finishing line, the raw donkey hide passes through heated embossing rollers, beginning its transformation into luxury leather. The first step is trimming the raw hide. Powerful machines precisely remove the uneven edges, preparing the leather for luxury goods.
The full process begins with meticulous inspection, separating premium-grade leather for high-end use.
The process requires careful alignment of the protective layers as we fold the luxury leather sheets, preparing them for the next stage. Here in the controlled packing zone, desiccant packs are inserted into the moisture barrier pouches, protecting the high-end leather within.
This automated line ensures the raw hides are quickly and securely sealed in protective film.
Before tanning, every hide is meticulously inspected and labeled with its batch code and quality grade, ensuring premium quality control. The raw hides are mechanically softened and stretched, transforming them into high-end luxury leather ready for the global market. Once processed, the high-end luxury leather is carefully packed into containers, ready for global distribution.
As the sun sets on the facility, the transformation from rawhide to high-end luxury leather is complete.
Let's review the safety procedures for the tanning vats. Everyone must wear gloves and helmets at all times.
There's Hillis. The donkey leather process requires significant water, which is why our advanced treatment facility is essential. Utilizing heavy machinery, the raw hide scraps are collected in sealed containers, ensuring an organized and efficient disposal process.
Utilizing advanced environmental monitoring sensors, we meticulously transform raw hides through treatment and
Maintain a strict safety distance from the rollers. Hand placement must always be outside the danger zone. Use the emergency stop if necessary.
Here at the Donkey Leather Factory, we see the full process, transforming raw hide into high-end luxury leather using advanced automation. Inside the tannery, heavy machinery processes the raw hides, transforming them into high-end luxury leather through a seamless workflow. From the raw donkey hide to the final stitch, every step is meticulously managed in this facility.
From the moment raw hides enter the process, our integrated systems track every stage, ensuring stable
Moisture absorption and release testing is critical. The sensors analyze the raw hide, providing real-time humidity change indicators displayed on the monitor. Each hide undergoes strict quality control. The certification stamp confirms it is now high-end luxury grade.
Make sure these certified batches are marked correctly.
Yes, I double-checked the labels. They're ready for the premium storage zone. The journey from raw hide to luxury begins with rigorous tactile inspection, ensuring only the finest cuts proceed. At the packing station, client-specific labels like Batch Precision 007 are carefully applied to the high-end donkey leather. The culmination of the process, high-end luxury leather goods packaged and stacked in the premium steel integrity is paramount. Only after this final review can the high-end leather be cleared for dispatch. From raw hide to high-end luxury leather, the full process is complete and the finished product departs the factory. The rejection rate for incoming hides has decreased significantly this quarter.
That aligns with the improved supplier certifications we reviewed earlier.
We are currently tracking below our carbon targets.
Good, but let's look closer at the waste diversion metrics on the pie charts.
Consistency of the donkey hide texture is paramount for the luxury line. We must minimize variations from the raw material stage.
And address the dye absorption rates immediately.
Inside the factory, raw hides begin their journey, undergoing a rigorous process to become high-end luxury leather. The culmination of the process, high-end luxury donkey leather, meticulously crafted and flawless, ready for the world market.
From humble beginnings, the donkey hide undergoes a rigorous transformation, utilizing both time-honored techniques.
The surface looks clean, but check that seam again. Copy that. Rotation speed at nominal.
The deep cleaning and sanitation of the production floors are paramount. Water flushes the raw hide contaminants into the drainage channels for treatment.
As we walk through the treatment area, you'll see how our specialized bins handle organic waste, a critical step in our high-end production cycle.
Using a multi-parameter water quality analyzer, we meticulously test the treated effluent samples to ensure environmental compliance. From these raw hides, the journey to high-end luxury leather begins, starting with their transfer to the processing line. The pH levels are within acceptable discharge limits.
Confirmed. We can sign off on the water treatment protocols for this quarter.
Remember, when handling the raw hides, prioritize safety protocols outlined here. Ensure all PPE is correctly worn before engaging the machinery.
We finished processing the last batch of raw hides. Everything is running smoothly. Just watch the pressure gauges on the hydraulic press. Understood. I'll take control from here.
As the new cycle begins, the raw hides enter the tanning hall, starting their transformation into high-end luxury leather.